Okay, I guess we'll see if this works. Welcome back. I had to flip-flop my screens, so I don't know what happened there. So we were on what is the source of all SMTP traffic? And we discovered it was the 10.12.19.101. What is the file name of the third file attachment? So for that, what did I do for that? Was it conversations? Was it captured file properties? Was there a hint? There's not a hint. Let's sort by number. Oh, I think it did follow TCP stream. Next. Maybe not. Hey, Capper Clapper. Been a minute, man. How you been? And I don't know why my chat's not overlaying the screen. Okay, there it is. Yes. Okay, so it is overlaying my screen. I don't know where I had it before, but I'm doing well. Just kind of experimenting around. And okay, alert is still smack dab in the middle. That's a good spot for it, I think. Yeah, right in the middle. That's fine. All right. I'm going to save that setup. Yeah, so that was for the previous task with the SMTP status codes. Mailbox name not allowed. So we finished task 6. We're on task 7. First question was, what port is SMTP traffic using? We already know that SMTP is port 25. And then to discover how many packets are specifically SMTP, we filtered SMTP and we viewed down here where it says displayed 512. And source IP address for all SMTP traffic. So if we sort by source, we see that it's all coming from 10.12.19.101. And then it's S for the third attachment. Let's see if attachment is a filter. Attachment is not a filter. Let's use this. Let's search for, oh, where'd that go? Here, Control F. Nothing there. IMF extension, recent, recipients, address list, item. Content type. Maybe we could do extension type, importance and reply to, lines, item, mailbox list, received, maybe that. Nothing. IMF. Returns mail. That was delivered. Returns. Mail delivery subsystem. What was the question? What is the file name of the third file attachment? Geez, I forgot how I got to that. Content type. Well, that depends on what you're asking. All right, if you're talking about overall packets, there's 1,637. But if we're talking about just the SMPT stuff, then it should just be 3 attachments, I believe. Let's do. All right, let's reach out. Let's use a lifeline. Task 7. That's Nmap. That's Metasploit. Is that the room? No, it's phishing prevention. All right, so let's do phishing prevention task 7. Phishing room task 7, broken authentic. Phishing room task 5. Man, what is the file name of the third file attachment? Let's go back out to here. And are I think we're still just You'll move beyond SMTP codes and analyze trivial SMTP traffic. The reference below may assist you with this task. And that's what we had pulled up earlier. See, I tried looking up attachments to see if that was anything, but it's not. So analyze statistics. And for some reason I thought it was follow TCP stream, but maybe it's not. Let's IMF received. That was delivery failed. This was a returned mail. Returned. Well, let me reverse engineer the answer. No packet contained that string in its info column. What about just attachment? This message was blocked because its contents what? Content presents a potential exceeded storage allocation. Well, how many instances are there of attachment? Message was blocked. Message was blocked. I guess that was it for attachment. Hey Zach, how are you doing? Oh, hold on a second. Yeah, it's got to be in the PCAP. All right. Turn off. All right, there we go. SMTP, mail from, let's try searching it here. Well, that was the end of the list. So I guess that's 1, 2, 3, maybe? Blocked message to review. What's going on, Zach? What you got going on? Why aren't you doing great? What can we do to help? If there's anything we can do within our capabilities, let us know. These are all fragments. Let's see here. So we did the status codes, traffic analysis. Oh. Let's try doing this. Find attachments in Wireshark. Set the following display filter. To get the TCP stream with the attachment tcp.stream-eq2, then right-click one of the frames and select Follow TCP Stream. In the pop-up windows, click on Find and search for attachment. TCP stream.eq2. Let's try that. I said follow TCP stream. Nothing. Wait, what? Okay, what's this? What if I do tcp.stream? Three, maybe? Nope. EQ3 equals 3. Let's see. It's timestamps. Find. No packet. Oh man, that sucks, man. Sorry to hear that. I've definitely dealt with that before, for sure. SMTP traffic analysis. Oh, damn. You know what? Let's do phishing prevention. Phishing prevention. That's probably where I'll find it. Screw you, Bing. It's not working for me. Phishing prevention. Skip the ads. Phishing emails forum. Phishing prevention. Margarita Viola. Task 7. To facilitate the solution to this problem, the task has left us a link. Wireshark codes for IMF are available, right? Which we used. But which one do we use? That's the question. IMF. Just IMF? That's it? That's all we got to use? Is that what they're telling me? Over here, losing my mind. IMF. That's what I thought I was doing. And then what? The third one. So 1, 2, 3, right? And then what did they expand on? Internet message format. And then MIME. And then encapsulated multi-part. There it is. I've never heard of that, Zach. I'll have to check that out. But did you catch all that? I was pretty sure that IMF filter had something to do with it. I just forgot how I got there exactly. So we filtered IMF. It wanted the third attachment, so we opened the third packet. And it was under IMF, my multi-part, and then encapsulated. So so that's where we got to. Oh, it's right here. File name equals, and then attachment.scr. All right. How about the last file attachment? And it just wants, so that's the last file name .zip. So we filtered IMF, and I guess we can cancel that. Filtered IMF, open the packet, message format, MIME, encapsulated, content disposition, or content type, either one, I guess. Yeah, because this actually says file name. This is, I'm not sure what that refers to. I mean, it's so it's in the reference, but then it gets all into this stuff: imf.address, imf.bcc. Like, who would think to just put IMF? protocol field name, IMF. Maybe that was the clue. All right, let's technique 1071, subtechnique 3, mail protocols. Several notable groups such as apt28, apt32, and Turla have used this technique. Recommended mitigation, network IDS or IPS that use network signatures to identify traffic for specific adversary malware can be used to mitigate activity at the network level. Per MITRE attack, which software is associated with using SMTP and POP3 for C2 communications? So I think for that, I was in here. Communicate with C2 over SMTP and POP3. So let's click on Chopstick. Is that what I got? No, I got Zebra C. How did I get that? All right, Zach, take care. Per MITRE attack, which software is associated with it? Associated software. All right, let's get off of Chopstick. Which apt28, apt32? Let's look at apt28. So it's not that one. apt32. Not that one. Turla. Associated groups. Which software is associated? Ay, ay, ay. Command and control. All right. We'll see you in a bit if you decide to come back. But take care, man. Where's that at? Oh, that's up the road. All right. apt28, apt32, and Turla have used this technique. SMTP, IMAP, POP3, and SMTP, POP3S. See, I thought I had found it in Chopstick. Let's do the reverse. apt28. So it should be in here. apt28. Techniques used. And it would have been C2 communications. C2. Is that the only one? Installed a Delphi backdoor that used a custom algorithm. Okay, let's do POP3 maybe, or SMTP. Application layer protocol, mail protocols. It just takes us back to this again. Mitigations. Oh boy. No. Here we go. That's what it was, right here. Uses SMTP and POP3 for C2. So it's the last one. But that's the name of the group, not the software. See, they didn't word this properly. They didn't word it properly at all. Now I'm just in the main page. Like when you first click on that, if you scroll down, oh, Zebracy is a Trojan that has been used by App28. So why did they list it in the groups though? That's procedure examples. Uses SMTP and POP3. It's the last procedure example right before mitigations. Terminate the machine. Excuse me. Prepare. Start. All right, what's the question here? Per the playbook, what framework was used for the incident response? Incident response. Well, I know it mentions NIST in here somewhere. I just forget where. Okay. You want to do digital forensics? You want to do a SIEM? You want to do endpoint security monitoring? What you thinking? Okay. The green Holt fish. Start her up. Do the split view. Well, tomorrow should be a pretty exciting day for me. I have to meet with my probation officer. I think I've got about 6 months of probation left. Get to tell her I've got a job now. She'll be super excited, for sure. I thought it was today, so I went looking for her card. Being facetious about what? Her being super excited? Or that tomorrow's going to be a good day? No, I'm not. I'm not being facetious. It'll be a good day. All right, here is our challenge email. We're going to open with other application. Come on, work. Open with Thunderbird Mail. Now, do you have your machine spun up? And I was not being facetious. Like, tomorrow will be good. Tip, open the email file with Thunderbird. And I think I was able to get everything, like, from here, I believe. I hear my kitties. Hey, kitties. What you doing? Come here. Come here. Hi, kitties. Hello. Okay. I'm going to see if anybody else is on Twitch at the moment. Can I do a thing? Let me see if I can do a thing. Let's do. Oh, here we go. It's already getting so big. You were so skinny when I found you. You were a skinny small cat. It's gonna be a fat cat. Yeah. Thank you for sitting on my lap. Yeah. There you go. Hi. Hi. Yeah. Yeah. You can sit on my lap anytime. Yes, you can. Yes, you can. You're such a lovely kitty. I don't know why anybody would leave you behind. I don't. I don't know why somebody would leave you behind. No, I don't. Okay, bye bye. Welcome back. I'm still here. And so is my kitty. Gosh. Hi, kitties. Such a pretty cat. Yes. You're knocking stuff over? Okay, let's full screen that. Okay, so we've opened our email in Thunderbird. And we've changed the view on the headers to be all, so that this is our output. Let me know when you've got everything pulled up, ready to go. Going? Yeah. You want your bed pulled out? Huh? Here. There's your bed. If you want to lay in your bed. So where are you at as far as you got your stuff pulled up? So first it asks for the email's timestamp. Gotcha. But it wants it in month, day, year format. Oh, on the actual file, you were... Well, it was modified August 10th, but we don't need to know that. So June 10th, 2020 at 5:58. Okay, who is the email from? From Mr. James Jackson. What is his email address? info@mudawamarine.com. What email address will receive a reply to this email? So this is where it gets tricky, right? because it adds a second thing in there. Info@Mudawa Marine. And I think for this we gotta do this. I was trying to mute myself. Sorry. Let's minimize. So I can't just copy and paste all that. All right. What email address will receive a reply? Oh yeah, that's okay. info.mudawamarine@mail.com instead of just info@mudawamarine.com. I thought that was in the same spot. All right, what is the originating IP? Received from, right here, 192.119.71.157. Really? So you did right click, open with other application, and then shows Thunderbird. You didn't try a bad way, you just tried a different way. Oh, gotcha. Let me know what you need me to go back over. Okay. Mr. James Jackson. Or what do you mean it doesn't match? You're saying the email you opened doesn't show that it's from Mr. James Jackson? Ah. That's the next question, is what's his email address? I'm going to leave it right there for now. Where are you at now? Okay. Where are you on the questions now? I didn't want to go past this part. Okay, so what email address will receive a reply? And that is located in the reply to. So it doesn't show X originating IP, but it does show received. And that's our answer, the originating IP. And then with that, I think I did. What did I do? Yep. So if you grab that IP and put it into a whois, the expanded header, sure. So when you're on the message, view, headers, all. Because this is normal headers. Headers, all. Yep. And then once you've got the originating IP, that's when I used whois to find out. This is HostWinds LLC. And then I'm trying to think what I did for the SPF record. I think I went was it proof point? DMARC, proof point, glossary. It was one of those sites that was used earlier. I think it's Fortinet, maybe. Is that in the head? Yes. Boo. All right. Maybe it was DMARC. Okay, then I probably used mutawamarine.com. Yep. So SPF record, you go out to Demarkly, Tools, SPF checker, and use the mutawamarine.com. That gives you the SPF record there. And then for the DMARC, it's within the same site. So if you go back, DMARC checker, mutawamarine.com, check DMARC. Wait, was that what I did? Oh, for the return path domain. Okay, which was something different, I believe. Oh, so that is in the received section of the headers. So you'll see it says x-originating-IP, but there's nothing there. So then you look at received from HW serves, blah, 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 host twins, and it's this section here. Is that the right thing? VDMark1P quarantine. Yeah, okay, so that is the DMARC record that was found. All right. Okay, where are we at? Okay, so take the originating IP and do a whois search on it. I wonder if you can do a whois from the terminal emulator of this thing. Whois 192.119.71.157. Probably not. You actually have to extract it. I think I just used who is, no, I use, what did I use? I just used it. Who.is. I guess you could use that as well. Yep. Yep, exactly. And then for the SPF record, you go to dmarkley.com/tools. SPF checker. And this is, you got to use the old information. Mudawa, Marine. Oh no. So if you go out to dmarkley.com/tools, you'll be able to find the SPF records and the DMARC record. get in your bed? Your little bed right here? Well, I'll just leave this up for a minute. That way you can check your answers against it. I need to figure out how to do the raid thingy. How do I do that? Okay, getting there. All right, let me full screen this thing. This. How do I do this? I guess I have to do it from there. Well, check it out. Since you're finishing this up, oh my goodness. You shouldn't need Thunderbird for the rest of it. I don't. No, you do, for the name of the attachment. Okay, we're gonna do a raid into my friend Kyle's channel. All right, here we go. It's not gonna be much for him, but it's something. So here we go into Kyle's channel. All right. So now we go over to Kyle's, I guess. Right now. Did it work? I don't even know if it worked. I guess I gotta go into his room. Let's see. Kai. And my stream.